and welcome to my 5th Haverdash unboxing. This is actually probably the most fun I've had with a subscription, and it's probably just because you do get a lot of boxes. However, the one negative side I've been finding is their choices aren't always my style, and that does kind of irk me sometimes. Sometimes I get really disappointed. This is probably going to be my last video. I tried to get as many boxes as I could and make sure that they could be, you know, shipped back to them as quickly as possible so I could get as many boxes as I could to film for you guys. That means that I did get all 5 of these boxes in 1 month. They probably will be posted throughout different times because I like to use them as extra videos. But on that note, let's just jump right into this box for you guys. If the box will open. This box actually felt heavier, which it looks heavier, honestly. There's the packaging, and we've got, you flip it, it also has a sticker and it says get $30 off for you and your bestie. Go to haverdash.com/refer, which if you guys want to use my referral link, I'd greatly share it with you guys because that also gets me $30 off as well as you guys. But on that note, we've got a Collective Concepts blouse in a size small. It's the size they suggested for me. It's a very see-through material. It's floral. That is what that looks like. I don't know, it might be doable. The next is a maxi dress, which is kind of like, it's got an off-the-shoulder look. That's why it looks so thick. Very thick material, stretchy. It's got a tie that goes around your neck. It is by, I cannot read, Lost and Wander in a size medium. So that will be fun to try, even though it's dark. And then the next dress I have, which, oh my gosh, I'm already in love with it. It's a very nice, thick material. It is the brand Hutch in a size large. It's a blue dress, and normally I don't like stripes, but I had to try this one. It's just such, this has to be premium quality, honestly. I'm gonna have to check those prices in between trying them on so I can correctly tell you guys what the retail value is for each item and then what the key price is on them. But on that note, I will be back once I have them on to try for you guys. So this is the black dress. It is so beautiful. I love the top of it. It's actually a very nice quality. However, the thickness of it and the material already tells me it would be way too hot to wear. I love the detail. I'll also shut it down at the bottom because it actually is very, very fitted. But this is the bottom of the dress. It kind of gives me like a mermaid tail feel to it. I feel like I could like swim through the ocean. But I absolutely think this is a beautiful dress. If it wasn't completely black, I would probably be more in love with it. It shows a little bit more of an area that I wouldn't want to show all the time. Just body-wise. So I don't know if it's right for my body type, but the retail price for this dress was $118, and right now it is on sale to keep for $18.50. But on that note, I will be back in the blue dress. So this is the blue striped Hutch dress. It is absolutely beautiful. It is definitely my style. It's got this cute little bow front. I normally don't like stripes, but I do love the detail. The material is definitely thicker. You can tell that it's been made very, very well, that it's just a really extremely quality brand. And then I normally don't like this in dresses, but I figured out this dress has pockets, so I literally could wear this, feel flowy and really, really cute. Still store my phone in it if I wanted, or something I wanted to carry, like a lip gloss. And I would still feel like it was an amazing deal. Now, when My guess about it being premium quality was actually spot on. When I checked the price on this, the retail value of this dress is $275. Now, I would never, ever spend that much on a dress. The only reason I'm going to consider keeping this dress is because it is on sale with Haverdash for $19.50. To have this good of quality of a dress that is retails for that much, and to have it down that low of a price is amazing. I was so surprised by this. But on that note, I will be back in the floral top. So I am back in this cute little floral shirt, and it is definitely my style. It does remind me something that maybe a stylist would have sent me in Stitch Fix or just found on my own for a cute little price. It is a little tight on me. I don't know why they suggested a small. Like, yes, it's very fitted. I just feel like, yes, I probably could have done with a medium. So sometimes those size suggestions aren't all that. But the retail value on this shirt was $46. It is on sale with Haverdash. The keep price is $12. I like the shirt. I don't know if I like it enough to keep it when I could get a lot of stuff like this in my boxes at the store. It just, I don't know. It's me, but it's not me enough to keep when I know I can get a lot of similar stuff from other companies. But I will be back here in a second. So I am back after trying all of this stuff on. And I obviously think this is by far my favorite thing in the bag. I do like this shirt. It was a little too tight / fitted. I could probably get some stuff very, very similar in boxes. So that's probably going to be a no for me. The black dress, while it's very cute, it's practically a steal at the keep price it's at. I do not do good in black. For one, it makes me feel dark. It doesn't help my mood. And then on top of that, it just, yeah, it's so thick. It's a really, really thick dress, which is perfect because, you know, you don't have any problems with slip-ups. It's very cute. I could see it being, like, great to go on a date night in. It's just not me. It does not scream me. I need stuff that's unique and shows my style, but yet is a great deal. And this definitely fits that quality. I'll probably be very, very protective over it because of the retail value of it. But I can see myself falling in love and wearing this piece over and over again, where I cannot with these other pieces. So I hope you guys enjoyed what could be my last Haverdash for a while. If you want to see more Haverdash, let me know. If you use my credits, it'll automatically get me, you know, the price off the month, and then I'll be able to do more with you guys. So, I mean, that's always an option, especially if you guys want to try out Haverdash. But if you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Until next time, everyone. Bye!